I had to go in the house for some seeds. He caught me on the way back. Did that weird squawk thing he did yesterday. Okay, this time you can have a real bale. Oh, and please be collecting. Oh, sorry. Scared a wallaby. Pretty face. There's been 10 of them around. Yeah, mate, I haven't forgotten you. Sorry, I'll get on with it. Okay, this one hasn't been... This got skipped last time. It could be a particularly good bale. I hope I've got him in shot. He's about 8 inches from the camera. Okay, mate, bit of noise here. That's really cute. Yeah, mate, okay, well, listen, this is where the camera's going to go. Okay. I'll just see if it's pretty straight. A bit wider here, dude. Okay. Well, hopefully this plant won't get in the way of you or your enjoyment of this bale. So this has been a month and a half since this one was turned over. It's got some roaches, and because it's him I can check the angle of the camera. Excuse me, mate. I should leave that to your business. Okay, well, I have to get some more seeds from the house, but looks like he's done. And now we know that the red-stemmed abaca will hold up. And doesn't collapse on top of the bale. Sweet. Tent peg's in place. If she comes back, or if she comes today, I will give her that bale, I think. She's under the bale at the moment, and he's leaving it to it. That's pretty extraordinary if you ask me. I mean, he's definitely well fed. Does not miss out on a feed. Listen, I'm going to step across here. I'm going to do you a little favour and my garden a little disservice. Oh, that was her, mate. She's unlikely to attack you. She must have finished with her bale and saw you eating. Kookaburra. She's never been that close or comfortable around me that close to me before. That's a new record. I mean, I've got zero zoom on this camera and I had to move it back to try and fit the size of him in on his own. I mean, the camera has zoom, I'm not using any. Oi! Little respect, mate. Don't you eat that kale. Nobody's going to eat that kale. Trust me on that. Oh, yeah, in case you didn't know, it's walking stick kale, and it arguably tastes worse than other kales, which I've heard are awful. So I'm going to eat something else. But hopefully I'll grow a fine crop of walking sticks. Camera rest. And just in the nick of time. Okay, folks, have a good one.